Hello, in this video we're going to consider past paper question number 5 of Analysis and Approaches, May 2025 paper. So given the 6 marks and obviously the question about the probability, 2 parts, A and B, and given some information about the probability. So first of all, let me write separately that P of A, not A is equal to 3/4 and P of A union B is equal to 3/4 also, yeah? And conditional probability P of B given A given as 2/3. Okay, and now it says find the intersection P of A intersect B. How to find the intersection? First of all, we can use the formula of combined events. From the formula booklet, we should aware that it is PA union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So that's how we will get the intersection. And the probability of not A could be written as 1 minus probability of A, right? So 3/4 is equal to 1 minus probability of A. So that's how we will use A here, okay? So let's do that. So P of A then, P of A is equal to 1/4, okay? Okay, now what's given? So let me just underline. So given this is 3/4, yeah, and this is 1/4. We don't know the probability of B, right? We don't know the probability of B. Okay, and that's after that we can find the probability of intersection. Now the question, how to find the probability of B? Okay, so let me again underline the data that we know. So we know this, and we don't know probability of B. So now let's use the conditional probability formula. So we'll use the conditional probability formula from the formula booklet. You can find that it is probability of their intersections divided by probability of A. Okay, so everything is given here. Everything is given. So P of B is 2/3. Yeah, 2/3. 2/3 is equal to intersection B of A divided by P of A. And P of A is also given, guys, right? It's 1/4. So 1/4. And now we can find the probability of intersection. Okay, so P of A is equal to 2/3 times 1/4. So it is 1/6. Probability of B intersection A is 1/6. Okay, and it is equal to A intersection B. It doesn't matter, yeah? It works as a multiplication. So B of B and A, or A and B, is the same thing. So it is 1/6. So this solution actually is takes 3 marks total, yeah? Okay, so now that's how we can use the formula of conditional probability. So pay attention that we use the conditional probability formula, and take P of A from this part, okay? And we don't need actually this combined even formulas, okay? So sometimes it works this way. So it's not sometimes obvious how to find the probability straightforward. Sometimes we can confuse with other formulas as well, okay? Okay, and now let's turn to part B. It says that show that events A and B are independent. So in formula booklet you will find them condition of being independent. 2 events are independent. So P of A intersection B is equal to P of A times P of B. So here P of B we will need here. So actually intersection is equal to 1/6. So 1/6 is equal to P of A is 1/4, and we need to find P of B. Okay, so P of B to be found, I will write somewhere here. So P of, and now guys, we can use the combined even formulas. So again, let me just write one more time. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of the intersections, right? Okay, so everything is given here. Union is equal to 3/4, P of A is 1/4, P of B this we should find 1 over 6. And now let's calculate the value of P of B. So 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4 and plus 1 over 6. So it's 2 over 4, 1 over 2, so 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6, 3. So it is 4 over 6, 4 over 6. Okay, so now 4 over 6 is value of P of B. Now let's plot 4 over 6 straightforward here, 4 over 6. Now if we will reduce the fraction, we will cancel 4's, and then 1 over 6 is equal to 1 over 6. Okay, that's how it works. And yeah, you see that we have spent almost 6 minutes. Okay, so hope this video was useful for you. React somehow, press like, write your comments, ask the questions, subscribe to my other social media accounts. Let's make math easier together. See you in the next video.